Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shirani. Today I'll be showing you how I make Belizean Garnaches. The first thing we're going to make is a topping so we could set it aside. It's pretty easy to make. You only need a few ingredients. So to my bowl here, I'm adding some chopped white onion, some chopped up cabbage, a little bit of salt, and some vinegar, and that's all you need. It's kinda like you're making your sauce for your panades. For panades, I use more cabbage and less onion, but for my garnaches, I like it with more onion and less cabbage. This is how we used to make it at home, so I'm just showing you what we did. Now for the beans, I'm using some that I cooked a few days ago. I'll leave a link below of my recipe so you can see how I cook mine. You just want to blend that for a good minute or so before you put it in the pan to fry up. If you don't have any cooked beans, you can use the one in a can. But if you have time, please cook some beans because it tastes so much better than the one in the can. And it's not hard to make, it's so easy. Now to fry up the beans, I'm using a little bit of coconut oil in my pan. I'm not putting any seasoning or anything in the beans because I already did that when I cooked it. So it doesn't need anything right now, just to fry it up a bit. And I let that fry about 5 minutes or so. Just keep an eye on it and make sure you stir it in between. Okay, so the last step before we assemble the garnaches, we just need to fry the corn tortilla. And I'm just putting that in some hot oil and I'm frying it like a minute on each side. We're just trying to get the tortilla brown, not burn it. So keep one eye pa yung tortilla. So while that is frying, let me tell you a little bit about garnaches. So garnaches is a snack in Belize, but sometimes people would even have it as a meal. And the way you make garnaches is you always have to have a fried corn tortilla. And then you put some refried beans on top, some kind of cheese. Sometimes people use Dutch cheese or happy cow cheese, and then your topping. So I'm using Dutch cheese in this recipe, and this is what it looks like. You will know it because it has that red backing. When we were little, we used to chew that red piece like chicle. Who remember doing that when they were growing up? Leave me a comment below and let me know if that was something you did. I'm putting a big generous spoon of beans on top because I like it with a lot of beans. And then I'm putting my cabbage and onion mixture on top of that. And you can put as much or as little as you want, it's up to you. And then top that with the grated cheese. So when you're in Belize and you buy garnaches, you just never know what your topping will be like because everyone makes it a little bit different. Some people will just put onion on top with pepper. Some will just do cabbage, some do cabbage and onion. So you just never know. Whatever it is, the topping always have vinegar in it. And of course, it wouldn't be complete without the pepper. I can't forget that. That's the most important part of this thing. So yeah, I like it with a lot of pepper on top. But if you don't like pepper, you don't have to put pepper. I heard that some people even put ketchup on top, but I've never had it with ketchup, so I don't know. I might need to try that. As always, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you have not yet subscribed, please don't forget to do that. And I'll talk to you in my next one. Take care. Bye.